Hey there, fellow online shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to see your credit card number in Amazon for 2025. With Amazon constantly updating its platform for better security, it's easy to get a bit lost. But don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step in just a couple of minutes. First off, why would you need to view your credit card number on Amazon? Maybe you're confirming a purchase, updating your payment info, or just double-checking details. Whatever the reason, Amazon has made it straightforward, but always remember to handle your financial info with care to avoid any risks. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Amazon account. Make sure you're using a secure device and a private network, safety first. Once you're logged in, head over to the Account and Lists drop-down menu in the top right corner. Click on that, and then select Your Account. This will take you to your account dashboard. Next, scroll down to the Ordering and Shopping Preferences section and look for Payment Methods or Wallet. In 2025, Amazon might have a slightly updated interface, so if it's not exactly there, check under Your Payments tab. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your saved payment methods. Click on the credit card you want to view. Now, here's the key. Amazon doesn't display the full card number for security reasons. Instead, it shows the last 4 digits. But if you need the full number, you'll have to verify your identity. This could involve entering a code sent to your phone or email. If you're having trouble, Amazon's Help Center is a great resource. Search for View Payment Methods on their site. Pro tip: always log out after you're done, and consider using virtual cards for extra protection in 2025's evolving digital landscape. Wrapping this up, seeing your credit card number in Amazon is quick and secure when you follow these steps. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next video.